Hi friends, today we are going to learn counting. Farm animal counting 1 to 10.
Count the cows. How many are there? 1. There is 1 cow. Count the pigs. How many are there? 2. There are 2 pigs. Count the horses. How many are there? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 horses. Count the sheep. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 sheep. Count the donkeys. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 donkeys. Count the ducks. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 ducks. Count the goats. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 goats. Count the chickens. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 chickens. Count the turkeys. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 turkeys. Count the rabbits. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. There are 10 rabbits. Great job counting all of the farm animals.
Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and share.